Welcome to Product Critique. In today's video, we're going to explore the Jzsmy 8-pack 9-inch round bread proofing basket cloth. If you're a home baker, especially someone who enjoys making sourdough, this product could be a game changer for you. The Jzsmy bread proofing basket cloth liners are crafted with high-quality, untreated flax linen and cotton fabric, offering a smooth texture that ensures your dough doesn't stick while it rises. These liners are designed to fit perfectly into 9-inch round bread proofing baskets, providing the ideal surface for your dough to maintain its shape during fermentation. Whether you're preparing for a bake sale or just want to create a delicious homemade loaf, these liners help preserve the aesthetic of your dough while ensuring the dough is easily transferred to the baking surface once proofing is complete. The key feature of the Jzsmy liners is their versatility. Not only do they help prevent dough from sticking to the basket, but they also help in achieving the perfect round shape for your loaves. Plus, they are incredibly easy to clean and dry quickly, so you won't have to worry about spending hours scrubbing flour off the fabric. The pack includes 8 liners, offering plenty of coverage for frequent baking or even for sharing with friends and family who love baking as much as you do. It's a great value considering the number of liners you receive, and they're reusable, making them a more eco-friendly option compared to disposable alternatives. Another benefit of these liners is their ability to fit snugly in your basket, ensuring the dough holds its shape during the proofing process. This is especially important for achieving those beautiful patterns and textures that make sourdough bread so enticing. The natural rattan basket cover prevents stains, and because these liners dry quickly, they're ready for your next round of baking in no time. These Jzsmy bread proofing basket cloth liners are a must-have for any serious home baker. If you want to elevate your sourdough baking game, these liners are the perfect addition to your kitchen toolkit. Whether you're an experienced baker or just starting out, the quality and convenience of these liners will make your baking process smoother and more enjoyable. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a new review from Product Critique. Thanks for watching, and happy baking!